Muscle cars, hot rods, and sweet gals coming up. There's a beautiful babe in a 1927 Chevrolet Tourer hot rod. Wow, there's a lovely lady here in a 1937 Lincoln Zephyr. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. Therefore, I am now accepting $1 cash donations or more if you're comfortable with it. Please, no checks. Please send your donation to the address listed. Thank you for your support. Flashy Fox here in a 2007 Blastoline B702 cubic inch V12 engine. Wow, this woman is sizzling. This 2017 Bugatti Chiron, top speed 261 miles per hour with the limiter. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.